The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a scorching summer day, a clever crow found itself flying through the arid countryside in search of water. The sun blazed mercilessly, and the cross-throat crew parched. It desperately needed a sip of water to quench its thirst. After a long and tiring journey, the crow finally spotted a small village in the distance, hoping to find water there. It swooped down and landed near a house. The crow saw a pitcher in the courtyard filled with water, but the water levels was too low for it to reach with its beak. The crow was undeterred and refused to give up on its quest of water. It gazed around and noticed a pile of small pebbles nearby. An idea struck the crow's clever mind. It picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pitcher. With each pebble added, the water level in the pitcher rose slightly. The crow repeated this process diligently, dropping pebble after pebble into the pitcher. Slowly but surely, the water level in the pitcher rose high enough for the crow to dip its beak and quench its thirst. It drank to its heart's content, feeling relieved and refreshed. Having satisfied its thirst, the crow looked around with a sense of accomplishment. It had turned a seemingly impossible situation into a successful one through its intelligence and determination. The crow's cleverness had saved the day. From that day on, the story of the thirsty crow spread throughout the village, teaching everyone a valuable lesson about the power of determination, resourcefulness, and intelligence in overcoming challenges.